Hello everyone, myself Divya Purwal, volunteer of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. This video contains AFSJ MCQ Times Part 16, Topic Forensic Science UGC NET MCQ Questions Part 2. Question number 26. Assertion. Medullary index can differentiate human hair from animal hair. Reason: because the scales are of the imbricate types. Options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A is false but R is true. C. Both A and R are true. D. A is true but R is false. The correct answer is D. Question number 27. Assertion. Presence of spermatozoa do not confirm that the fluid is semen. Reason: because spermatozoa can be present in many body fluids. Options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A is true but R is false. C. A is false but R is true. D. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. The correct answer is A. Explanation. No, the spermatozoa can't be present in all body fluid. It only present in semen, but only spermatozoa can be defined that this fluid is semen. Question number 28. Assertion. Fingerprint identifies a person conclusively. Reason: because fingerprints can be duplicated in 1 lakh population. Options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A is true but R is false. C. A is false but R is true. D. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. The correct answer is B. Fingerprint identifies a person conclusively is true, but fingerprint can be matched with only 1% of 99, so that the reason is false. Question number 29. Assertion. Premolars replace the temporary molars. Reason: because there are no premolars in temporary set of teeth. Options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A is true but R is false. C. A is false but R is true. D. Both A and R are true. The correct answer is D. Question number 30. Assertion. After 1 to 2 hours of death, the muscles become rigid. Reason: because of the onset of rigor mortis. Options are A. Both A and R are false. B. A is true but R is false. C. A is false but R is true. D. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. The correct answer is A. Secondary relaxation occurs at around 36 hours after death due to the breakdown of contracted muscles due to decomposition. Rigor mortis is the post-mortem stiffening of the body and results from a decrease in level of ATP beyond critical levels. Question number 31. Match the instruments with the material analyzed. Electron microscope is matched with bullet. Electrophoresis is matched with blood. GLC is matched with alcohol. Comparison microscope is matched with hair. Question number 32. Match the name of scientist with their specific subject. Alec Jeffrey is matched with DNA profiling. Francis Galton is matched with fingerprint. A. Curie is matched with toxicology. B. Dodd is matched with serology. Question number 33. Match the ammunition with the firearm. Cartridges with pellets match with auto pistol. Rimmed cartridge with bullet match with air gun. Rimless cartridge with bullets match with .303 rifle. .177 slugs match with shotgun. Question number 34. Match the antigen with respective blood groups. First, B is matched with B, A is matched with A, AB is matched with AB, and no antigen is matched with O. Question number 35. Match the instrument used for the analysis of poison. Anesthetic antigen matched with GLC, alkaloids matched with Socolate, tranquilizers match with HPLC, heavy metals match with AAS. Question number 36. Match the permanent teeth with their age of eruption. First molar match with 6 years. Third molar match with 18 years. Canine match with 11 years and second molar match with 12 years. Question number 37. Match the exhibits with the analytical division. firearm match with ballistics, hair match with biology, dispute signature match with document, and poison match with toxicology. Question number 38. Match the marks with the causative instrument. Sliding marks match with screwdriver, static marks match with hammer, radial cracks match with bullet, and tire marks match with vehicle. Question number 39. Match the year of establishment with the respective CFSL of India. 1978 match with CFSL Chandigarh, 1968 match with CFSL Delhi, 1957 match with CFSL Kolkata, 1970 match with CFSL Hyderabad. Question number 40. Match the offense with the section. Murder match with 302 IPC, fatal vehicular accident match with 304 AIPC, rape match with 375 IPC, attempt to murder match with 307 IPC. Question number 41. The chronological order of the incidents of type of fingerprint is. Options are A. Loops, rolls, composite, arc. B. Roll, composite, loop, arc. C. Arc, composite, roll, loop. D. Loop, arc, composite, roll. The correct answer is C. Question number 42. The sequence of examination of blood stain in chronological order. Options are A. Benzedine test, Heman crystal test, immunological test, and elution test. B. Immunological test, Benzedine test, Heman crystal test, and elution test. C. Elution test, immunological test, Heman crystal test, and Benzedine test. D. Benzedine test, elution test, Heman crystal test, and immunological test. The correct answer is A. Question number 43. Chronological order of post-mortem change after death is. Options are A. Loss of reflexes, false smell, adipocyte, and hypostasis. B. Loss of reflexes, hypostasis, false smell, and adipocyte. C. Adipocyte, false smell, hypostasis, and loss of reflexes. D. False smell, loss of reflexes, adipocyte, and hypostasis. The correct answer is B. Question number 44. Sequence of events in firing in chronological order is. Options are. Question number 44. Sequence of events in firing in chronological order is. Options are A. Pulling of trigger, firing pinhead, powder burning, and projection of bullet. B. Firing pinhead, projection of bullet, powder burning, and pulling of trigger. C. Pulling of trigger, firing pinhead, projection of bullet, and powder burning. D. Powder burning, pulling of trigger, firing pinhead, and projection of bullet. The correct answer is A. Question number 45. Distance travelled by the firearm discharged in chronological order is. Options are A. Burning, charring, blackening, and powder tattooing. B. Charring, blackening, burning, and powder tattooing. C. Blackening, charring, powder tattooing, and burning. D. Powder tattooing, charring, blackening, and burning. The correct answer is B. Question number 46. In the analysis of poisons, the sequence of events in chronological order is. Options are A. Extraction, group test, tissue, homogenization, and specific test. B. Tissue homogenization, extraction, group test, and specific test. C. Group test, tissue homogenization, extraction, and specific test. D. Extraction, tissue homogenization, group test, and specific test. The correct answer is B. Question number 47. The incidence of blood groups in Indian population is in the following sequence. Options are A. B, O, A, B, B, O, A, B, A, B, C, B, O, A, B, D, A, B, O, B, A. The correct answer is B. Question number 48. The reliability of marks of identification in their chronological order is. Options are A. Anthropometry, dental data, blood group, and dactylography. B. Dental data, anthropometry, blood groups, and dactylography. C. Blood groups, anthropometry, dental data, and dactylography. D. Dactylography, blood groups, and anthropometry, and dental data. The correct answer is A. Question number 49. The sequence of examination procedure for identifying bullets with the suspect firearm is? Options are A. Fire test bullets, identify class characters marks, identify individual characteristic marks, match class and individual characteristics. B. Identify class characteristic marks, fire test bullets, identify individual characteristic marks, match class and individual characteristics. C. Fire test bullets, identify individual characteristic marks, math class and individual characteristic marks, identify class characteristic marks. D. Fire test bullets, identify class characteristic, match class and individual characteristic marks, identify individual characteristic marks. The correct answer is A. Question number 50. 35 years female was found burnt in the kitchen. An empty can of kerosene with little quantity at bottom was found nearby. Matchbox and fuse sticks were found on the carpet. She had sustained 100% burns. Black soot was present on the body. Smell of kerosene was observed. Pugilistic attitude was present. Burns from superficial to deep were present on the body. Soot particles were present in trachea. Carboxyhemoglobin of 15% concentration was reported on analysis. No evidence of mechanical injuries were observed on the body. The room was bolted from the inside. Considering the above findings, answer the following. The cause of death was A. Antemortem burns, B. Postmortem burns, C. Asphyxia due to soot, D. Carbon monoxide poisoning. The correct answer is D. Carbon monoxide poisoning. If you want to see part first of this video, then check out the link present in description box. Thank you.